Alright guys, so we're going to do the installation. On this particular Honda Civic, it's going to be pretty easy for you guys to be able to do the conversion yourselves. There is the low beam. It's an H11. It's basically push it down. There's the H11 plug. Set that off to the side, and then be careful. Obviously the bulb's going to be hot if you've been running it, and it's actually really hot. So I'm going to let that one cool off a little bit. Here's the other side for the driver's side right here, passenger side. They made it really easy because they've actually extended the fender, as you guys can see. There's the original chassis, and then they extended it, made it a little bit wider. Makes it a lot easier for you guys to get your hands in here. So that's the H11 plug. Again, push it down, comes out right away. Oops. I'll tuck that right here for right now. And again, I'm going to get some gloves for that.